Welcome. In this video I will show you how to screen mirror Android phone on your TCL TV. First of all, make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, open the settings menu, then go to network and internet. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled and one of your networks has a connected status next to it. Then grab your Android device and swipe down the control center or the quick settings menu and check if the network your iPhone is connected to is the same one that your TV is connected to. Then you can also check some Chromecast settings on your TV. Go to device preferences, go to Chromecast built-in, and here you can let your external devices like your smartphone, for example, control your cast media on your TV so that when you, for example, play video on YouTube on your smartphone, it will also start playing on your TV, and then you will also be able to change the volume level from your smartphone. You'll be able to scroll through the video, etc., etc. So you have three options here, either while casting, so the device that is casting will be able to control your media. This is default option. You also have always option and never option. Just select whichever you like the most, and after that you're gonna have to start casting media or your screen from your smartphone by swiping down the control center again and locating the cast icon in here. But if you cannot find it, tap the pencil icon or the edit icon, whatever it looks like on your Android device. Then swipe down to available widgets or tiles. Look in connectivity section. Here you'll find something like this, the cast option or the screen mirror option maybe. Add it to your quick settings, then tap on it, and then select your TV from available devices list. Then you're gonna have to choose one of the two available options. So either you can cast one application from your smartphone. If you want to do so, just tap next and then select the application that you want to start casting. Alternatively, you can cast an entire screen if you select the second option from the list, and then select cast screen, and then the screen casting will begin instantly. And if you want to stop it, just swipe down the control center once again, navigate to screencast option, select disconnect, and your smartphone will be disconnected from the TV. Alternatively, you can just press the home button on your remote control on your TV, and this will also disable the screencast. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.